Hello everyone, my name is Frank Provenzano, and I'll be demonstrating the installation of Windows Server 2016 on Oracle's VirtualBox. Before I begin, I want to thank Amar Elshiwell and Lisa Newman for contribution to this video. We'll go through a PowerPoint presentation first, followed by an installation of Windows Server 2016. Let's begin. Windows Server 2016 is currently the most popular in the business. Therefore, it is better to practice and understand it well to get a job in the IT field. Windows Server 2016 provides the following: better security, less downtime, more productivity, more applications and reliability, all the benefits of the cloud. Introduction of Windows Server 2016. Windows Server 2016 is the cloud-ready operating system that delivers new layers of security and Azure-inspired innovation for the applications and infrastructure that power the business. Windows Server 2016 has many other ways to try the new features. First, TechNet Virtual Labs. You can log into the free Microsoft TechNet Virtual Labs for a real-world environment along with step-by-step guidance to help try the new features. Second, you can run it in Azure. Azure provides a great way to test Windows features 2016 with pre-built images. Choosing an edition and an installation option. When downloading the full ISO, you need to choose an edition and an installation option. This ISO evaluation is for the Data Center and Standard editions. The Data Center edition is the most complete edition and includes the new Data Center specific features like shielded virtual machines, storage bases direct, storage replica, and software-defined networking, in addition to unlimited server virtualization. Installation options. There's the Server Core option or the Server with Desktop Experience. The Server Core option is the recommended installation option. It is a smaller installation that includes core components of the Windows Server and supports all server roles but does not include a local GUI. It is used for headless deployments which are managed remotely via PowerShell or other server management tools. The Server with Desktop Experience is the one we're going to choose when we install. This is the first complete installation and includes a full graphical user interface for customers who prefer this option. Evaluation options. Windows Server 2016 ISO 64-bit, or Windows Server 2016 Virtual Lab, or Windows Server 2016 on Microsoft Azure. Download steps. First, visit the Microsoft Windows Server Products and Resources page at the following link to download Windows Server 2016. Now we're going to follow the images. Okay, now we're done our PowerPoint presentation. If you haven't already installed VirtualBox by now, pause the video and go to this link here and download VirtualBox for your operating system. When you've completed doing the full install of VirtualBox, you'll be ready to go to the next step. And the next step, we'll come down to Windows Server 2016 download link. This is the link we will go to download Windows Server 2016. Okay, this is Microsoft's website for the free evaluation of Windows Server 2016. We're going to choose the ISO version that's already highlighted and click Continue. At this time, we have to put information in to complete the installation. You'll put your information in here. And last one here, we'll choose our language. We'll click Continue. Now we have to choose our primary language, and we'll click Download. We'll save this to our computer. I already have this installed here, so I don't need to save it, but you'll click Continue and click Save. I'm going to stop this. Okay. Now we're going to install Windows Server 2016 on Oracle's VirtualBox. We're going to click New. And we're going to name Windows Server 2016 here. And we're going to come down and click Create. We're going to leave the middle one highlighted, create a virtual hard disk now. We're going to leave the top one highlighted, virtual disk box image, and leave it at dynamically allocated and at 50 gigabytes. Now that you see WinServer here, we have to complete the installation. We're going to go up to Start. We're going to go to our file, and we're going to choose the file that we want by going to Add, and your downloaded version of Windows Server 2016. Double click. You'll see that it's highlighted here. We're going to click Choose. You can see that it's here as well. Select Startup Disk, and we're going to click Start. This is automatically happening right now. Okay, now we're going to choose English. We're just going to leave that highlighted and click Next. And we're going to click Install Now. Now we're going to choose the second option, Windows Server 2016 Standard Evaluation Desktop Experience. We're going to click Next. We're going to accept the license and terms. Now we're going to choose the Custom Installation Windows Only Advanced. We're going to click Next. This takes a few minutes, so I'm going to pause the video, and when it gets close to being done, I'll start it back up again. Get close to the end of installing. This is all automatically happening. You'll want to grab a pen and a piece of paper because you're going to be writing down your administrative password. This is fully happening automatically. Okay, if you've written down your password, we're going to enter it now. After you've entered your password, click Finish. Now we're going to go to the input in VirtualBox. Choose Keyboard and insert Control-Alt-Delete. And here's where we enter our password that we just created. Click Enter. Excellent. Looks like we're almost finished. Once the server manager comes up, the installation will be complete. Click No here. Server manager is loading now. Okay, we're done. Let's close this out. Close this out. Here's your Windows Server 2016 running in Oracle's VirtualBox. You have the standard edition for 180 days. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and it helped you in doing your installation. Have a good one.